Alright guys, I'm trying to find a good place to put my microphone. And sitting in my uh, driver's seat here with, I just cleaned up my wires behind the head unit, etc. Anyway, there's this little clip thing that sits up above the, you know, driver's side thing. And this little clip, I kind of read online, it sounds like it's some kind of, just hold the headliner up, I guess. That's what the thing said. I mean, it doesn't appear to, just a screw hole and another little hole here. So I'm thinking I might bore that hole out a little bit more and see if I can get my microphone to sit in that spot. That'd be pretty nice. It'd look good there, and wouldn't have a wire hanging around or any of that kind of stuff. So anyway, let's see if I can do it. All right, I bored that out to a little over a ½ inch because that's the size of my microphone. It took, I still not, hopefully I'm not messing something up. I'm not 100% sure what that thing is. But anyway, I filed down kind of the sharp angles and corners and stuff. And so that's making a little progress here. We'll see how this works out. All right, so you can see that there's like a ½ inch little grommet there that I have going through the metal, and then I have the microphone put into that, and it's in there really solid with that grommet. And then I ran the wire off the side and through here, and then I ran it down the trim and then underneath the dashboard there. And then I took this and I drummeled out a little hole. So see, that fits over there like that, and then we'll screw that in. And then, sorry, it's hard to hold this in this, and then I drummeled another little hole through that so the microphone will stick out through that. So here, I'll give you another little look at this. So drill a hole next to that little screw bolt thing there, a little ½ inch. The one on the inside doesn't have to look pretty, so I just kind of bored it out to about a ½ inch. And then that one I did, tried to make a little bit prettier. Fortunately, it'd be nice to have it centered, but it just isn't going to happen with that bolt there. So anyway, now I'm going to go take a heat gun and kind of melt the plastic around there to give it a nice finish look. And then I will install the whole thing and take a final look at it. All right, and there it is. It ain't perfect, but I think it looks pretty good. Looks better than having a damn microphone sticking out on a hook. It looks like maybe it's supposed to be there. I don't know. I might find a way to clean that up a little bit more around the edges just to make it look a little bit better, but I'm pretty happy with that. I would not attempt this unless you enjoy doing stuff like this, though, because it took a decent amount of time, and there's always a chance for error.